Hello, we are here today with my wife's Land Rover. So if you've got a Land Rover Freelander, or maybe some other models, but today we're only basing it on this one, you might have a problem with the handle on the boot not working. So you need to use the key all the time. But today we're going to fix that. So hopefully, oh yeah, we went and got these today, so you will see in a video very soon this ridiculously big pumpkin being carved, us going and get them, but that's not today. Today is all about hopefully what's in this box is going to be what we need, which is a new rear handle and loom. So yeah, we need to take some bits off, fix this bit, put it all back together, and fingers crossed that means that the boot won't open every time you open the car, because that's what it does at the moment, because it knows that it's not working correctly. So anyway, let's get on. So first things first, we need to, oh, it's not going to zoom. Is it going to zoom in there? Oh, there we go. Right, so these are the grab handles in here, and inside the grab handles there are the sun, and the light is not very good. There are, oh there we go, a screw in both sides, this side of the boot and that side of the boot there. So we're going to take them off, and then I'm going to set you here. So first of all, you've got a TX25 in this side, and then put this with a maybe a trim tool. Right, let me get a trim tool. Okay, I'm back with the trim tool. Now if you don't know what a trim tool is, it's going to be your go-to tool for a lot of jobs on cars. It gets under trim, hence the name, and then yeah, really helps, and gets under all those clips that are awkward to get off on cars. So got it off. Oh. Now all we got to remove is this bit here, which there's some bolts inside, which if I direct you up like so, if you look in there you'll see a bolt, 2, 3, and then the other side 4, 5 and 6. So find out what size they are, and then I'm gonna remove them. So they are 10mm nuts. Try not to do what I just almost did and dropped it in the boot behind it, but anyway, let me take the other 5 off. Okay, so we got some good news and some bad news. So good news, I got 4 of the nuts off, which are here with the rest of the little bits. Bad news is it looks like someone might have tried to do something like this before and has broken clips there. That's not looking so good. So we might have to replace this at some point, because there's 2 of the nuts that I took off. I think one of these, and yeah, so it's not perfect, but now we've got to this point, let's get that off. Okay, So there we go. There's the whole boot release off. Now to remove this, replace with a new one, and put it all back together. As we've got boot space, might as well use it as a little table amongst the pumpkins. So here you can see it looks like you've got a clip this end and a clip that end that you just push in. Just like that. The old one and the old loom is out. Give it that. Fingers crossed, the new one is correct. So, feed all the cables through. Clip the new one in. Okay, so that's in. It is tough, but we're in. Now to put all the clips back to where they were. So you've got one that goes to the light this side, one that goes to the light the other side, so that is now good to go. We just need to feed this through, clip this in, and fingers crossed, should be sorted. So you got a hole. Oh no. Right. I was lucky. Thought I'd shut the boot and wouldn't be able to get back into it. So we're working with this hole here. This is where your cable goes through. So we'll feed that through. That red cable plugs into this red cable. So that we've just fit plugs into there, and then we should be good to give it a try. So I've literally just clipped it in, and if I push the button, we can hear the so let's put it all back together, and hopefully by that time it's all done. So here we go. So moment of truth. So we shut the boot and we open the boot. Although that handle is not held on very good now, because where someone's broken the clips this end, it's not the best, so I'm probably gonna have to do something about that. But if we do this, we do that, we open. So just got to fit inside of that, and then we're done. And there we go, it's all back to normal. So let's have a look. So she's locked. Open up now, and the boot doesn't open. Hey. Just like that, and we're greeted by the pumpkins again. So yeah, if that was helpful to you, then please like, comment, subscribe, because we would love for this channel to grow. You're going to see all different things, from pumpkin picking to fixing Wife's Freelander to fixing my R53 and converting the Vito van, among other things. So yeah, until next time, cheers, bye.